Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I am happy to see you today. Today's episode is about commuting to work. I will teach you words and sentences. I will give examples. I will help you practice. The words are simple. The sentences are short. You can listen and speak with me. Commuting means going from home to work. Commuting can be long or short. Commuting can be by bus. Commuting can be by train. Commuting can be by subway. Commuting can be by car. Commuting can be by bike. Commuting can be by walking. Some people drive alone. Some people carpool with friends. Some people use a ride share. Some people take a taxi. Some people use a bus pass. Some people use a subway card. You will hear many words about time and travel. You will learn simple phrases to talk about your commute. Here are some words to learn. You can repeat after me. Bus, train, subway, car, bike, walk, traffic, rush hour, delay, schedule, timetable, station, platform, fare, ticket, pass, transfer, route, stop, seat, driver, conductor, rush hour again, morning, evening, commute, work, office, factory, school. Remember to repeat the words in your head. Say them out loud too. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. Listen first. Then you can practice with me. This is a short monologue conversation. I will be two people. You can pause and repeat. You can say both parts or one part. Let us start. Hello. My name is Ben. I am on my way to work. I take the train every day. The train is on time today. How about you? What is your name? Nice to meet you. My name is Anna. I work at a school. I teach math. I take the train too. We ride together every morning. The train can be crowded. Sometimes we stand. Today we sit. The trip takes 30 minutes. I read a book on the train. I listen to music too. Do you listen to music? Yes, I like calm music. I also check my email. I prepare for the day. What time do you start work? I start at 9 o'clock. How about you? I start at 8:30. You have a long day. Yes, I do. I also ride the bus home. The bus goes near my home. The bus is slow in the evening. I like to rest on the bus. It is good to have a seat. Do you have a car? Yes, I have a car. I use it on weekends. I do not use it every day. There is a lot of traffic in the city. It is hard to find a parking spot. That is why I take the train. I can walk to the station. The station is close to my home. That is convenient. How long does your commute take? It takes 45 minutes. I sometimes read a book. I sometimes nap. Today I listen to a podcast. What podcast do you like? I like news and science podcasts. They help me learn on the way. Now you can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Pause the video now if you need time. Repeat the sentence out loud. Try the lines that seem easy. Try a short line first. Then try a longer line. Pause now and repeat. Welcome back. Keep practicing. Here are more example sentences. Use them at the station and on the bus. Hello. Excuse me. Is this seat free? Thank you. I get off here. What time is the next train? The next train comes in 5 minutes. Do you know if this train goes to downtown? Yes, it does. You need to change at Central Station. There is a transfer at Central Station. You must get off and change trains. The conductor will tell you. I have a monthly pass. Do you need change? No, I have an exact fare. I tap my card when I board. The subway is clean today. The driver is friendly. The bus is late because of traffic. There is a delay on the line. Please allow extra time today. The express train skips some stops. I take the express train to save time. This train is the local train. It stops at every station. I prefer the local train when I need to get off soon. Repeat after me. I take the bus to work. I take the train to work. I walk to work. I ride my bike to work. I carpool with my coworker. My commute takes 20 minutes. My commute takes 1 hour. I leave home at 7:30. I arrive at work at 9. I am on time today. I will be late today. I have a long commute. I have a short commute. I like to listen to music on my way. Now I will give another short practice conversation. This is a meeting on the bus. I will speak slowly. Repeat after each line. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Do you work near here? Yes, I work at the hospital. The hospital is 2 blocks from the station. Where do you work? I work in an office downtown. How long is your commute? It is about 35 minutes. Do you like the commute? Sometimes it is fine. Sometimes it is noisy. I read or listen to music. I like this quiet time. Me too. It is my time to relax. What time do you leave home? I leave at 7:20. I catch the 7:30 bus. I arrive at 8:20. Then I walk to the office. The walk is 10 minutes. It is good exercise. Yes, I agree. Have a good day. You too. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. You can pause the video and repeat any line you want. Try to speak clearly. Try to use the same words I use. Keep your voice steady. If you make a mistake, that is fine. Try again. Practice makes you better. Now I will teach you some useful questions for the commute. These are good to ask when you are new to a city. How do I get to the station? Which bus goes to the airport? Does this train stop at Central Station? Where is the platform? Which platform is for the northbound train? How much is a ticket? Where can I buy a pass? Is there a discount for students? What time is the last train? Is the subway open on weekends? Do I need to change trains? Is this seat taken? Can I sit here? I have one more stop. I get off at the next stop. Can you tell me when we arrive? These questions help in many situations. Repeat after me. How do I get to the station? Which bus goes to the airport? Does this train stop at Central Station? Where is the platform? How much is a ticket? What time is the last train? Can you tell me when we arrive? I get off here. Thank you for your help. You are welcome. Now I will give tips to make your commute easier. Leave a little earlier. Bring a book or music. Charge your phone before you leave. Check the schedule before you go. Use an app for real-time updates. Plan a backup route. Check the weather. Wear comfortable shoes. Bring a bottle of water. Keep a small snack. Carry earphones for music. Be polite to drivers and riders. Offer your seat to someone who needs it. Keep your bag close. Mind your belongings. Enjoy the time. Use the commute to rest or learn. Next, I will give more example sentences you can use at work or with friends. I take the bus every morning. I ride the train to work. I prefer the subway in bad weather. I like to walk when the weather is nice. My commute is long but quiet. I carpool with 2 colleagues. We share the driving. I read the news on my phone. I like to plan my day on the way. I listen to an audiobook every morning. I learn a new language on my commute. I practice English while I travel. I say simple sentences out loud. It helps me speak better. Now a small role play at the station. I will say each line slowly. Repeat after me. Good morning. Good morning. Is this the platform for the downtown train? Yes, it is. The train will arrive in 3 minutes. Thank you. You are welcome. The train is full today. We may have to stand. It is fine. I have only one stop today. I will get off soon. Take care. You too. Sometimes there is a problem. Here are sentences for problems. The train is delayed. There is a signal problem. I will be late for work. My bus was canceled. The road is closed. There is heavy traffic. I missed my stop. I need to change trains. I lost my ticket. I left my phone on the seat. I am sorry. Can you help me? Where is lost and found? These lines help you in a small emergency. Repeat after me. The train is delayed. I will be late for work. My bus was canceled. I missed my stop. I need to change trains. I left my phone on the seat. Where is lost and found? Can you help me please? Thank you for your help. Now we will practice a longer introduction about your commute. You can use this to tell a new friend about your day. Listen first. Then try to repeat. Hello. My name is Maria. I live in the east side of the city. I take the subway to work. The subway ride takes 40 minutes. I leave home at 7. I arrive at the station at 7:10. I buy a monthly pass. The pass saves money. I like to use the time to read. I often bring a sandwich for lunch. The commute is long, but I use the time well. On bad days, I take a taxi. On sunny days, I like to walk to the station. I hope to move closer to work one day. That would make my commute short. Thank you for listening. Now you can pause the video and repeat that introduction. Pause now if you need time. Speak slowly and clearly. Try to copy my rhythm. Try to use your own words too. Change the details. Say your own name. Say your travel time. Say the time you leave. Try to make your own introduction now. Here are more short practice lines. Repeat after me. I take the 8:15 bus. I get off at Main Street. I walk 5 minutes to my office. My office opens at 8:30. The subway is crowded in the morning. I stand for 20 minutes. I read a book or check email. I like to listen to calm music. I buy coffee before I board. The driver is polite. The conductor checks tickets. I tap my card at the gate. I transfer at Central Station. I board the second train. I exit at Park Avenue Station. I walk to work from there. I arrive with time to spare. We will end with useful short replies. Repeat after me. Yes, I go by train. No, I drive to work. I take the bus today. I will be late. I am on my way. I am here now. I am getting off. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Take care. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.